behalf of Riyadh Triskelion International Council, kami po ay bumabati sa bagong pamunuan po ng National Executive Council sa pamumuno po ni Brad Colonel Errol Garchito Rena Jr. Kami po ay nagpapasalamat sa inyo sa National Executive Council sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta po dito po sa Riyadh Triskelion International Council. Maraming pong salamat at asahan niyo po ang aming buong suporta sa National Executive Council.
I'm Bro Uchi Hison, the current Vice Chairman of MERCC, and I would like also to express our sincere appreciation to our former National Premier, Bro Chris Mendoza. Along with these National Executive Officers, we wish you the best in your future endeavors. Your strong leadership, unwavering dedication, and fraternal guidelines will forever remain in our hearts.
And we, the Riyadh Triskelion International Council, Solido Nacional!
Solido Nacional!